Mabuhay! I am Vanessa Rabano Carmona Dilay, and I will be your reporter for today. My topic is about the types of development communication materials classification schemes. Many different types of materials can be used for development communication purposes, and these have been classified in a variety of ways. The first one is the object media, presentation media, and interactive media. The second one is as print, broadcast, and audiovisual media. The third one is the electronic and non-electronic media. Let's classify it first according to use. Breadths classified media into three broad categories based on the nature of their use. The first one is object media. These media, which can be manipulated, examined, or felt by our senses. These are usually used in small groups for the purpose of presenting ideas, procedures more concretely. Examples of these object media are specimens, replicas, dioramas, and mock-ups. The next one is the presentation media. These media are to which the intended audience is exposed through their sight, hearing, or both. This type of media can be used to reach the larger and more varied audiences, especially when it's impractical to use object media. Examples of this media is publications, video programs, films, radio, and posters. The next one is the interactive media. This media allows the intended audience to participate in the learning process as much as possible. Specific examples are computer-aided instructions, interactive handouts which allow participants to fill out blanks as the lecture proceeds, and games. The next classification is according to senses use in decoding. Communication materials may also be classified according to the senses used in decoding the message. The system classifies media into print, broadcast, and audiovisual media. This is perhaps the most common classification scheme. Print media refers to publications such as newspapers and magazines. Broadcast media refer to those whose messages are aired simultaneously to various audiences via television or radio. Audiovisual media, on the other hand, refer to the types of communication materials that can either be seen, heard, or both seen and heard. Compared to the broadcast media, audiovisuals are usually used in small groups, such as sound slides and video films. The third classification scheme classifies media according to technological requirement. Electronic media need electricity to work, while non-electronic media do not need electric power at all in order for this to be used. These are just some of the common classification schemes used to describe various communication media. So you might ask, what's the use of classifying media in these different ways? Share your thoughts and insights in our discussion forum below. Again, I'm Vanessa Rabano Carmona, your reporter for today. Bye!